Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since January 27, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.82. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Interestingly, the ETF has exceeded our predictions, achieving a gain of 4.77%. This results in an average return of 0.68% per day since being designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower boundary of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $24.85 be breached, it would indicate a more pronounced decline. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately -5.53% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return varying between -10.56% and +25.4%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of -25.4% over the next year, with a possible return ranging from -59.25% to +63.31%. This estimation translates to a price range between $10.70 and $42.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF price gained 2.5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, rising from $25.61 to $26.25. During that day, the ETF fluctuated 5.56%, with a low of $25.20 and a high of $26.60. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 22.08% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 44 million shares, with a total of 56 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.47 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $23.50. Currently, the price is 62.54%, or $43.83, below the 52-week high, and 93.06%, or $351.99, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Recently, SOXL, the 3x leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on semiconductors, has captured attention amid both declines and opportunities. As of the 3rd of February, discussions surrounding leveraged exchange-traded funds highlight their potential for amplified returns, appealing to investors aiming to capitalize on short-term market movements. However, they also carry increased risk, especially in volatile markets. On the 29th of January, a panic over DeepSeek's artificial intelligence developments caused a downturn in semiconductor stocks, briefly positioning SOXL as a potential buying opportunity. The semiconductor sector is foundational to technological growth, indicating that despite short-term fluctuations, it may experience a swift recovery, benefiting SOXL in the longer term. Furthermore, SOXL recently emerged among the top-performing leveraged exchange-traded funds at the beginning of 2025, reflecting investor interest in amplified returns despite the inherent risks. Yet, it is important to note that SOXL has experienced a nearly 60% decline since June of 2024, posing challenges to its ability to recover quickly, even if the sector rebounds, as suggested by analyses pointing out recent performance issues. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The SOXL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the ETF. On further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $29.30. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $26.02. A breakout above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce another sell signal and reinforce the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 27, 2025, and so far it has increased by 4.77%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 33 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has produced a buy signal from 5 days ago. When analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 8 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 125 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $25.61, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $1.40 between its high and low, translating to a fluctuation of 5.56%. Meanwhile, during the past week, the ETF has displayed an average daily volatility of 7.13%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $26.66. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SOXL finds its first support level at $25.61. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF currently shows several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of February, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 233 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $26.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.